Hi Siri, call Jack.
So, 8 o'clock? Great!
The keyboard of the future. Tap creates text each time you tap your fingers on any surface. Tap does not use the QWERTY keyboard layout, or any keyboard at all. Instead, you create letters by tapping one or more fingers on any surface. Using Tap might feel a bit like magic. Most people are amazed at how quickly they learn the tap combinations. Then, just like typing, the more you do it, the faster you will become. Tap also has a built-in mouse, which moves your cursor when you glide your thumb on a surface. Tap can also control apps or play games. And tappers are coming up with new customizations and uses every day. Show us what you can do. Tap with us.
The Yunmai Bluetooth Smart Scale packs powerful, precise insights in a small package. We help you stay on track to meet your goals with our free app that records 10 different body stats, including weight, lean mass, body fat, and more. Setup takes less than 5 seconds, data transfers in no time at all, and you can even wait to sync your data until your iOS or Android device is present. Our device can track up to 16 users and integrate with other popular fitness apps like Fitbit, Google Fit, and Apple Health. Lightweight and durable, we've designed a compact health sidekick for on-the-go wellness. With over 2 million Yunmai scales sold, we're proud to be doing our part to build a happier, healthier world.
The Deluxe Designer, a specialized keyboard with mechanical switches, crafted out of aluminum with a premium finish. The Deluxe Designer is customizable keyboard, makes designing a breeze. It's the perfect tool to assist any designer.
This product is truly amazing. With it, I can set up my own shortcuts to whatever I want. So when I have multiple projects going on at the same time and I need to do different tasks for all the different projects, I can set up command sequences and with a single push of a button, it does it for me, saving me so much more time now. So especially when I'm doing repetitive work, the Deluxe Designer is a lifesaver.
We know designers everywhere are in need of a single tool that can streamline work and boost work efficiency. We love the Deluxe Designer and we know you will too. Help us bring this project to life.